Assalamualaikum guys, today we are discussing the Norma Occipitalis, the posterior surface of the skull. First of all, the bones in the Norma Occipitalis are, as you can see, these are the parietal bones. This is the occipital bone and some part of the temporal bone. The sutures that are in the Norma Occipitalis are number 1, this lambdoid suture as we have discussed in the Norma Verticalis. Then the other sutures that are in it are this process is the mastoid process of your temporal bone. Mastoid process of the temporal bone. The suture which joins the parietal bone to the mastoid is known as the parietomastoid suture. Parietomastoid suture, and the suture between the occipital bone and the mastoid process of temporal bone is the occipitomastoid suture. Then we will discuss the features of the Norma Occipitalis. Number 1, the prominence in this Norma Occipitalis is known as external because it is on the external side. It's on the occipital bone, so it is known as the external occipital protuberance. Two lines originate from it. These are known as the superior nuchal lines, and the further downwards are the inferior nuchal lines, superior nuchal lines and the inferior nuchal lines. There is a line that extends from the external occipital protuberance to the foramen magnum below. This line is the external occipital crust. These two parietal foramens also are seen from the Norma Occipitalis. Muscles that originate from Norma Occipitalis are from the external occipital protuberance. The trapezius originates from here, and the ligamentum nuchae that is attached to the posterior surface of the cervical vertebra that will be attached here. Secondly, these are the superior nuchal lines. From the medial side of the superior nuchal lines, trapezius originates from the external occipital protuberance and some part of the superior nuchal lines. The lateral part of the superior nuchal lines give origin to the sternocleidomastoid, that is the muscle of the neck that originates from this and goes down to the neck region.